In this video, I will show you how to highlight data in Excel. So any number you want to highlight like this. So select that cell. Now formulas. Now here home, and here select any cell. Select any color to highlight it. Select cell, and here select any color. So this way you can highlight, and if you see color is not matching, so first highlight cell and select data, and now change font color from here like this. If not work, so firstly select, change the color. So similar way, just you have to select your cell and a home button, and here select any color to highlight it. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.